Hey, today we shall see how we can implement a bubble sort in SAP. So you will be given some integers 2, 6, 4, 1, 7 as input. This is a list of array, an array list. You'd need to sort them in an ascending or descending order. So how could you do that using bubble sort? Bubble sort is not as important sort, but it is always better to know the basics. So it goes like this. What you need to do is you need to compare adjacent values, adjacent integers in the array, and then think if they need to be swapped or not. Suppose first let us do it ascending order. So if 2 is greater than 6, we need to swap them because we need it in ascending order. So see, as 6 is greater than 4, we need to sort them, say 2, 4, 6, and then 4 is greater than 1. Sorry, again 6 is greater than 1, so 1 would come again 6 is less than 7, so 7 would be at the end. So this is how it works. And in the second iteration, 2 is less than 4, it stays in its place. 1 is less than 4, so it is swapped. 4 is less than 6, so it is not swapped. 6 is less than 7, so it is not swapped. The same way it goes on, and 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7. Yeah, in 4 iterations, that is it. You would get the numbers in the ordered manner. So as the name itself indicates, the bubbles in the water, the bigger bubbles come to the top first. The same way how you got 7 first, as here you got 7 already at the last, but you can take another example and you can try it out. You'd get the same result. So let us see how do we implement this. So we need 2 iterations for this. Let us see. I'm looping through the entire array. To loop through the entire array, I need the number of what do you call the number of integers in the array, which is lt underscore input. So I'd loop that many times. In the second loop, I'd loop lines -1 times, because once I reach to this position, I compare it with the next one. But once I reach to this position, I don't need to compare it with the next position. So I just took lines -1 position because this is the end position. So I need only until 1, until this what is this, until this index. If I loop, that is fine. So what do I need to do? I need to just check the adjacent values. What are the adjacent values here? So say if lt underscore input of index, so what is the adjacent value to this index? Adjacent value is simple, index plus 1. Say if this value, say here it is 6 and 2. If this value is greater than this, what you need to do is you need to swap it, make it 2 and 6. So what you do for that, you just swap it. For swapping it, just take a temporary variable and then get this into a temporary variable, and this one get it from a temporary variable. I'm just swapping it, a simple logic for swapping it. First I'm getting this into a temporary variable, and finally then I'm getting the next value into this variable, and then finally the index, that is the temporary variable, into the main ones. So that is it. this is the bubble sort. I think it is a pretty simple logic. Every one of you can understand. What you need to do at the end is you need to loop through this LT array and then print the values at input. Just it shall take some field symbol. So I think this should work. We have some errors. Let us see. Lines is unknown. Okay. Let us say I think this should work now. Lines is not a field name. What is that? Done. So this is it. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. I hope every one of you have understood it. Thank you.